When Jeep first put one of its most respected historic nameplates, Renegade, on a big-eyed crossover that veritably defines the term Q2, traditionalists nearly took up arms, especially when they learned it would be built in Italy, not the United States. But the boxy little wagon has proven to be right-sized for the times, popular, and loaded with personality. Plus the Trailhawk model, with its standard four-wheel drive system, low range, crawl ratio, underbody skid plates, and red tow hooks, actually is decent off-road. As before, the Renegade is offered with a choice of a 160 horsepower turbocharged 1.4-liter inline-four engine, paired to a 6-speed manual transmission, or a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter inline-four with 180 horsepower that comes only with a 9-speed automatic. The 2.4-liter is an option on Sport, Latitude, and Altitude models but is standard on the Limited and Trailhawk. Four-wheel drive is available with both powertrains for $1,500. The base combo of Turbo 4 and manual transmission is pretty good, and we're always happy to find a manual transmission offered, especially here, where its precise shifter throws and character suit this Jeep's personality. The 2.4-liter is decent but not much to brag about. Also freshened for 2018 are the infotainment systems. The base Sport model employs a 5.0-inch touchscreen with voice control and Bluetooth connectivity, and Sport buyers can upgrade to a 7.0-inch touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that comes standard on the Renegade Latitude, Limited, and Trailhawk trim levels. In addition, Jeep's 8.4-inch U-Connect infotainment system with navigation is optionally available on all but the base Sport, as is a dual-pane glass power sunroof, which is new for 2018. Speaking of trick roofs, the Renegade's